Raw moments. Example number 1 on group data. Observations are given xi is equal to 11, 12, 14, 15, 17. Find first 4 central moments. Here first of all we write xi value observations in table form 11, 12, 14, 15, 17. I will find the sum of xi, that is equal to 69. Now after finding sum of xi, we'll put in the formula of mean, that is x bar is equal to sigma xi divided by n, where sigma xi is equal to 69 divided by n, number of observations, divided by 5. So that is equal to 13.8. Now here this value is in fraction 13.8. So here we shall take a is equal to 14, arbitrary mean, or we can say assume mean. First of all find the first 4 central raw moments about a, that is equal to 14. From them we shall obtain central moments using formula. So here first of all find xi minus 14 xi. So 11 minus 14, that is equal to minus 3. 12 minus 14, that is equal to minus 2. 14 minus 14, that is equal to your 0. 15 minus 14, that is equal to 1. 17 minus 14, that is equal to 3. Now we take the sum of xi minus 14, we get value minus 1. After finding this value, we put in the formula of first raw moment, that is mu1 dash, that is equal to sigma xi minus a divided by n. Here a is equal to 14. Therefore mu1 dash, that is equal to sigma xi minus 14 divided by n, and we get value sigma xi minus 14, that is equal to minus 1. So mu1 dash, that is equal to minus 1 upon 5. So our answer is minus 0.2. Now after finding first row moment, we find second row moment. For that we have to first find xi minus 14 whole square. So for that xi minus 14 into xi minus 14, that is minus 3 square, that is equal to 9. Minus 2 square, that is equal to 4. 0 square, that is equal to your 0. 1 square, that is equal to your 1. 3 square, that is equal to your 9. Now we'll take the sum of xi minus 14 whole square, we get value 23. So after finding this value, we'll put in the formula of second row moment, that is mu2 dash equal to sigma xi minus a whole square divided by n. Here a is equal to 14, therefore mu2 dash is equal to sigma xi minus 14 whole square divided by n, and we get value sigma xi minus 14 whole square, that is equal to 23. We put in the above formula, then we get 23 divided by 5, that is equal to 4.6. So after finding second row moment, we find third row moment. For that we have to first find xi minus 14 whole cube. For this we have to multiply xi minus 14 into xi minus 14 whole square. So here minus 3 into 9, that is equal to minus 27. Minus 2 into 4, that is equal to minus 8. 0 into 0, that is equal to your 0. 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. 3 nines are, that is equal to 27. Now we take the sum of xi minus 14 whole cube, we get value minus 7. After finding this value, we put in the formula of third row moment, that is equal to mu 3 dash, that is equal to sigma xi minus a whole cube divided by n, where a is equal to your 14. So therefore mu3 dash that is equal to sigma xi minus 14 whole cube divided by n. We get value sigma xi minus 14 whole cube, that is equal to minus 7, and n is equal to 5. So minus 7 by 5, we get answer minus 1.4. After finding third row moment, we find first fourth row moment. For that, we have to find first xi minus 14 raised to power 4. So for this, we have to multiply xi minus 14 whole square into xi minus 14 whole square, that is 9 square, that is equal to 81, 4 square, that is equal to 16, 0, your 0, 1 square, that is your 1, 9 square, that is equal to your 81. So after squaring this, we have to take the sum of xi minus 14 raised to power 4, we get value 179. Now after finding this value, we'll put in the formula of fourth row moment, that is mu 4 dash, that is equal to xi minus a raised to power 4 divided by n. Therefore mu 4 dash is equal to sigma xi minus 14 raised to power 4 divided by n. Here xi minus sigma xi minus 14 raised to power 4 equal to 179. So mu 4 dash that is equal to 179 divided by 5. We get value 35.8. So here is a summary given. First four row moments are mu 1 dash that is equal to minus 0.2, mu 2 dash that is equal to 4.6, mu 3 dash that is equal to minus 1.4, and mu 4 dash that is equal to 35.8. Now we will find central moment. Here mu 1 dash that is equal to always equal to 0, mu 2 dash formula, mu 2 formula that is equal to mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square. Here mu 2 dash that is equal to 4.6 and mu 1 dash that is equal to 0.2. We'll put in the above formula of mu 2. So here mu 2 is equal to 4.6 minus into bracket minus 0.2 into minus 0.2. We get value mu 2 is equal to 4.56. So after finding mu 2, we find mu 3, and mu 3 is equal to mu 3 dash minus 2 mu 1 dash into mu 2 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash cube. So here all values given, mu 1 dash that is equal to minus 0.2, this here, and mu 2 dash that is given also, this will put here, and for mu 3 dash value minus 1.4 will put here. So minus 1.4 in minus into bracket 3 into minus 0.2 into 4.6 plus 2, here is given that mu 1 cube. So 2 into minus 0.2 into 0.2 minus 0.2. After solving this, we get value mu 3 is equal to 1.34. Now we'll find mu 4, where mu 4 is equal to mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 3 dash into mu 1 dash plus 6 into mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash square minus 3 mu 1 dash is to 4. So all values is given here. We'll put all this value in this formula, that is mu 4 dash that is equal to 35.8 minus 4 into mu 3 dash that is given here, and mu 1 dash is also given here, plus 6 into mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash, this one minus 3. So after solving or putting all the values in the mu 4, we get value answer mu 4 is equal to 35.77.